Good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here, back with you on a Thursday morning after a stormy night last night. Lots of severe weather. Wind was the primary issue last night. Wind damage reports all over the place. The highest that I saw from last night was an 81-mile-per-hour wind gust in Malcolm, which is just northwest of Lincoln. But there were many locations of 55, 60, 65, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 71 at the airport in Grand Island. Some of you got some beneficial rain, some didn't get as much as others. Some of the highest rainfall amounts were just south and west of the Tri-Cities area. Now things are quieting down this morning. So we'll see partly to mostly sunny skies with a slight chance of afternoon rain and thunderstorms. There are outflow boundaries all over the place. And so with those outflow boundaries kind of acting as a cold front, it's not out of the question we see some isolated thunder shower activity. The more likely issue could come this evening as storms develop out west and then push eastward overnight. Now, they will diminish as they push farther to the east and southeast, but there is still a chance of some severe weather out there during the evening and overnight hours tonight. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Once again, wind gusts like last night are the primary threat. As we get towards tomorrow morning, quieter weather. Most of the day tomorrow quieter, few clouds. Otherwise, lots of sunshine and a little bit warmer for your Friday. And then once again, Friday night, we're focusing on severe weather. This time, the better chances developing up north and then pushing southeastward during the late night hours. Now, the better chance will be east and north of the Tri-Cities, but can't be completely ruled out for the Tri-Cities. And some models do linger this into the first half of the day on Saturday, even through about noon on Saturday. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. So let's break down that severe weather threat. First off, for later today, more so tonight, this evening, a slight risk of severe weather out west. I think damaging wind gusts are going to be our first big threat. But isolated tornadoes cannot be completely ruled out there towards the west, especially near the Colorado border. And large hail, maybe some of that as well. The risk lower, but still not zero around the Tri-Cities area, especially as we go just south and west of the Tri-Cities. Again, damaging wind gusts, I think, would be the primary threat. And then tomorrow, a greater chance up there up north, an enhanced risk of severe weather as storms will develop up in South Dakota and push southeastward. Again, damaging wind gusts are going to be your biggest threat with the strongest thunderstorms. Maybe some hail. An isolated tornado can't be completely ruled out, but this is really a damaging wind gust threat as those will push southeastward into the slight risk area, while maybe a little weaker, still going to be pretty strong and could do some damage. Chances are lower the farther southwest that you go. So temperatures for today, rather pleasant out there, a little cooler, 80s for highs, maybe nearing 90 out west. So this will be a pretty good day for today and slightly below average for most of us. Tonight dropping back into the 60s for overnight lows, so not too bad of a night ahead of us. A little warmer for tomorrow, upper 80s and lower 90s for most, but go out west. Mid and upper 90s, feeling the heat once again, some triple digits in the panhandle of Nebraska. Tomorrow night, not quite as cool. We'll see lows in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. And then Saturday, maybe a touch cooler compared to Friday. We'll see highs mid to upper 80s, low to mid 90s with your warmest temperatures in the southwest. So let's sum up that 3-day forecast here as we look at that. Again, chances of rain and thunderstorms the next couple of nights. The best chance probably comes Friday night after midnight, maybe lingering into early on Saturday. The weekend for the most part will be dry though, with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Sunday looks rather sunny and pretty decent out there. A little more heat building in for Monday and Tuesday with slight chances of rain and thunderstorms, maybe a little better chance there late Tuesday into Tuesday night as a cold front approaches and passes through. That'll cool us back a little bit on your Wednesday, but don't get too used to that as long-range forecast models do hint at more heat building in down the road later on next week. Now, will that come to fruition? Tough to say right now because for weeks now the long-range forecast models have been hinting at this major heat building in, and it hasn't been happening. So we'll see if that happens or not down the road, but as of right now, my confidence is low in that big-time heat building in. All right, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you all again on your Friday morning. Enjoy your Thursday. Enjoy the slightly cooler air for today. Talk to you all later. Bye.